Okay, so the second part of this problem is, so this is f of g that we did before, where you take the g and you plug it into f. So you take the 1 over x, plug it into the x. Now we're going to reverse it. We're going to do g of f. So in other words, we're going to plug f into g. So we're going to take this whole big function right here and plug it right down in here. See that? So this 7 over 2 minus x is going to get plugged in for x. It's going to be 1 over that whole function. So there's not a lot to simplify with this, because that's 1 times the reciprocal, because dividing by fractions means times the reciprocal, right? So that's the answer, is going to be 1 minus 2x over 7. Now, how about domain? I know you asked me about a domain of one of these. So let's quick check that. Well, this one here, the second one, the domain, well, if you look originally, you can't have 1/2 because that's divided by 0. So x can't be 1/2. You always look at the original piece before you simplify a domain. This 1/2 would mean 7 divided by 0. It can't have it. Even though the original looks like you can have a half, you can't have it from here. The domain up here, domain, clearly you can't have 2, right? Because divided by 2 is 0. Also, I'm pretty sure you can't have 0. I'm going to double check that. But because the original here, when you first plug in the 1 over x, you can't have 0 for that one. So I think this is the domain of the first problem that we did.